Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing an eye look for y'all, another one. So before I get started with the video, I would like to say is please subscribe to my channel, go check out my other videos and like this video. And if you wanna see different other looks, just comment down below. And just thank y'all for everyone who is subscribed right now, and just thank y'all for watching. So now let's get started with the video. So today I am going to be using these two palettes, the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and this other Morphe one. It's 35M Boss Mode palette. So what I'm gonna do is let me start with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna start. Just gonna take this brush. I forgot where I got it from. So I'm going to go in with this dark shade. It's like I wanna say like a dark green. On the camera it shows up black, but it's this one. You could kind of see it, but it's really green in person. It's the shade Enchanted, and I already did my eyebrows and I already primed my eyelids with my 16-hour camo concealer in the shade medium 7. So I'm just gonna take that shade and back it up a little. I'm not gonna pack it on too hard because we're gonna blend it out with some other colors. Okay, so now that is all packed up on the lid on the Morphe Boss Mode palette, I am going to take this shade right here, and we're gonna blend out this one. I think it's called Nude Tude. I'll leave it down in the description. So we're just gonna blend this out. Okay, so now that we're done blending that, out, I am just going to cut the crease. So I like doing this now, like getting a Q-tip, and getting this Almay Makeup Free Zone Makeup Liquid Remover. I just poured in the top. I just put the Q-tip in the liquid. Now I'm just gonna go like this. So that's how I do it, and now I am going to take this other Luxie brush, it's a small shader brush to the number 245, and I like to cut my crease with this one. I'm just gonna take the 16-hour camo concealer in the shade Light Peach, and I just like to put it on my brush. And I'm just gonna cut the crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this brush. I don't know, I forgot where I got it from. I'm just gonna take this Morphe, the Boss Mode palette. Alright, I'm going to take this shader here. Wait, no, this shader. Just spraying a little bit of setting spray on it so it can pop more. And I'm just gonna put this where we put the concealer. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna go back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna take that Enchanted shade. We're just gonna pack that in the corner, the outer corner. Okay, so we're almost done with the look. I am going to do my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look, and it kind of turned out alright. Not the way I wanted to, but it's alright. I even put on some lashes. I got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, or what they're in the name if I can't find the link. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope y'all liked today's video, and remember to like and to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Bye.